Dahil sa'yo, ako'y natutuwa. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y kinikilig. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y natutong umibig. Oh, 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 umibig.
Sa tuwing nakikita ka, mapapangiti ka na lang. Hindi ako kumpleto nang hindi ka nasisilayan. Dahil ikaw ang nagbigay ng pag-asa magmahal.
Titig ng pag-ibig.
Ako'y umiibig. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y natutuwa. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y kikilig. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y natutong umibig. Oh, 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 oh,
I'm going to describe it like there's two crescents, and you hold them in your hand. First you hold them in one hand, you turn around this smoke 3 times, then you open it up and you drop it.
Sabi nila,
Before you drop it, you ask a question.
ito na. Ito yung tanong ko na i-reveal ko.
My question was,
Ang tinanong ko, English pa to ha, English pa. Sabi ko, tug, pag ano.
and the answer was yes, so I was really happy with that.
No man siya. Kasi ito yung question. Sabi ko, what will be the outcome? Then that's it. Ay, talaga ganun. Alam niyo kung bakit? Dahil kinakabahan ako. Ang dami kong tanong na gusto kong kailangan ko ng sagot. Halos nababaliw ako nun.
Ako sa'yo, aking sinta. Oh my, aking prinsesa.
But then later on, the man said, oh, the answer can change over time, so I was like, I have 2 weeks until it changes.